Hello, Ma'am and Sir. Good day. I'm Derly Banastu. Married. I have one son, 19 years old. I have one brother and two sisters. I'm the third member of family. I have experience for 6 months in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. Four member of family. My duties are cooking, cleaning, gardening, ironing, car washing, also pick up to the school. I have 3 years experience here in Philippines as a helper. 5 member of family. My duties are cooking, cleaning, car washing, gardening, and taking care of children, and also taking care of dog and cat. I hope Ma'am and Sir to select me. I promise to finish my contract, and I hope Ma'am and Sir to find me. Thank you and God bless.